It's Steve Goranson with another business tip to help you work smarter, not harder to scale your business. Over the years, I've heard people say that to be successful, it takes hard work. It's all about that hustle and the grind. And I want to caution everyone against this. See, grind really means you work harder, you work longer, you put in more effort and more time to make sure your business is successful. And the reason I'm really cautioning about this is that 80% of businesses that will start this year will be out of business in 5 years from now. And the number one reason is burnout. If you're hustling, you're grinding, you're working longer, you're working harder, if you're putting in those extra hours, burning that midnight oil, you're just accelerating your journey to burden. And so instead of working harder and longer, I want you to think about working smarter and not harder. So, what processes and procedures can you put in place to allow you to be more efficient and effective? First, look at all the manual things that you're doing. Look at ways you can automate, free up your time so you can focus on other areas of the business, which is much more profitable. This could be maybe administrative activities that you're doing that you could maybe outsource to a virtual assistant or to your CPA or a bookkeeper. What things can you do to get off your plate so you can really focus on the money-making parts of your business, driving more revenue to allow you to pay for more of these processes and procedures and systems and outsourcing, then eventually hiring people to do the work for you. So please don't get caught up in this false belief of hustle and grind are the answer. Of course, all entrepreneurs and solopreneurs, there's going to be a time when you're just going to have to work long hours. But if you program your brain to think that hustle and grind is a long-term solution, you're just going to get burnt out. And this is not going to be good for you or your business or even your family. It's just that simple. So if this resonates with you and you want to learn to start working smarter, not harder, to scale up your business faster, I recommend that you schedule a free strategy session with me and discover the possibilities. I'm Steve Goranson, working with real people, generating real results so you can have more life.